Hi, this is Rob. This is the Ninja DZ201 Foodi air fryer with 2 baskets. There are 6 different cooking functions on this air fryer: air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. The main feature of this air fryer is that you can cook 2 separate types of foods at the same time by using the 2 baskets, and cook those foods using 2 different cooking functions. If one type of food takes longer to cook or has a different cooking temperature, or you want to use separate cooking functions on the food, you can use the Smart Finish button to automatically sync the cook times to ensure that both baskets finish cooking at the same time. To use the Smart Finish feature, place your food in the baskets. Basket 1, also known as Zone 1, is on the left. This Zone 1 button will be illuminated. So you're going to select the cooking functions for basket 1. First, select the desired cooking function for basket 1: air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, or bake. Then select the cooking temperature by pressing the up and down temperature arrows. Then select the cooking time by selecting the up or down time arrows. You are finished with basket 1. Now press the basket 2 button, also known as the Zone 2 button. Now select the cooking function for basket 2. If you selected air broil for basket 1, air broil will not be an option for basket 2 because air broil can only be used in one zone, but you can select the same cooking function for the other types of cooking functions. Then select the cooking temperature and the cooking time for basket 2. Press the Smart Finish button. Then press the Start button. The zone with the longer cooking time will begin to cook, and the other zone will display hold in the LCD. Some foods need shaking during the cooking process, such as French fries. To pause cooking for both zones, press the pause button. Then remove the basket and shake the food. To pause cooking for only one of the zones, for example the Zone 1, press the Zone 1 button, then press the pause button. When cooking is complete, the air fryer will beep and "N" will appear in the LCD. The other main advantage of this air fryer is that you can cook a larger amount of the same type of food by cooking in both baskets at the same time. This is called match cooking. However, you will not be able to use the air broil function in both baskets at the same time. Air broil can only be used in one basket only. To match cook, place the food in both of the baskets, then place the baskets in the air fryer. The Zone 1, Basket 1, button will remain illuminated. Press the desired cooking function. Set the temperature by using the temperature arrows. Set the cooking time by using the cooking time arrows. Now press the Match Cook button. This will copy the Zone 1 settings to Zone 2. Press the Start button to begin cooking in both zones. Some foods need shaking during the cooking process, such as French fries. To pause cooking for both zones, press the Pause button. Then remove the basket and shake the food. To pause cooking for only one of the zones, for example Zone 1, press the Zone 1 button, then press the Pause button. When cooking is complete, the air fryer will beep and "N" will appear on the LCD. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this air fryer.